new script. So if I were to create a new script, and things, the three systems are so much different when it comes to something like this. The triggers, they're pretty close, but something like this, just doing a simple move, is so much different, right? Very, very much so. Is we have, oh, why did I do that? So here we have move dot x equals input dot get axes and if I want to transform point, I want to transform direction. We're going to use move. Move is also going to equal move. Move equals move. CC dot simple move. And we'll give it a little bit of speed. Normally you'd use a variable for that, but all right. So I mean, really, that wasn't too bad. I don't think so. I mean, could have wrote it 10 times better, but for a fast explanation or fast demonstration on this, I think that's pretty good, right? So there we have moving with a character controller, and if I spin him and hit forward, he's going in, like he's going his forward direction, right? So there's script, and that's not too bad. Now you have state machine, and this one to me isn't a fun. I'm just going to call this whatever, a whole bunch of H's, because here we have get axes or get input. Get axes. Let's get those. We need 2 of those. All right, because now we have horizontal and we have vertical, and we could take those and let's transform direction XYZ, bring that in, can normalize this, bring it out, and this is even without any kind of multiplier on speed. Now, I mean, overall speed, was it faster than the scripting? I don't know, maybe. It's definitely not as flexible. Right, I hit forward, he goes forward. I spin him, and he goes forward. Right, I mean, I don't know. It works. I think if I was to compare those two, I'd rather do script. Playmaker. I mean, like, look how stupidly easy it is for something like this. Right, I'm gonna get an axis vector. It's already pre-filled with the horizontal and vertical, and we're gonna move, and then I can just adjust my speed. You know, self space, sure. So that's a lot quicker. It was a lot quicker and it was a lot easier, and it same result, right? Like if I'm facing that way, hit forward, he's going in his forward direction. So I don't know. To me, that triggers were, they're almost kind of even along the whole line, I suppose. They're pretty easy every direction. Character controller, though, man, it's hard to beat a 30-second character controller, yeah, that's tough.